Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create custom signals to connect from one scene to another in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So first I'll just create some sample Godot project. So I'll just name it as demo. I'll just save it on the desktop and I'll just click on create. Okay, now what I will do is I'll just create one 2D scene which will be the parent scene. Okay, and here I'll just command S to save it or control S. Then I'll just run this scene so that my root scene is selected. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll create one more scene and here I'll create one 2D scene and I'll just take one instead of 2D I think I could have taken a area 2D, so I'll just remove this, sorry about that. Just create a new scene and here I'll click on this plus button. I'll click on area 2D and here I'll just take a collision shape 2D and here I'll just take I don't know, sprite 2D, I guess sprite 2D, and for sprite 2D I'll just drag and drop the default Godot icon which is there, and I'll just move the sprite above the collision and here I'll take the collision and here I'll just add a rectangle shape and I'll just move it like this and I'll move it over here like this and I have to select collision shape and just move it like this and I'll move it up like this. Then I'll just do command S to save and here I'll just name it as, I don't know, Godot, and I'll quickly save it. Now what I'll do is I'll attach one script to this, and first I'll create a signal. I'll name it as signal Godot off screen. So whenever this like this Godot area 2D moves off the screen, I want to send a signal to the actual parent scene which is game. Now inside this game I will include Godot. So suppose this particular once you might have a use case that there is a player and it has to collect some coins which are falling from the sky, and if he misses a coin, you might have to do some kind of an action like reduce the lives or reduce the points of the player, something like that. So this is just that kind of a use case. So I've added Godot. So again, if you want you can rename this as Godot the parent view, but for this is just a simple project, so this is fine. Then I'll just add this process function which is there by default. So process delta, and here I'll just add a position of y plus equal to 100 into delta so that it keeps falling from the sky. Now again I'll just go to 2D, I'll go to game and I'll just move this somewhere over here. Command S to save it. Again I'll go to script and I will also add a visibility notifier. If you want you can add it, it's up to you, but the visibility notifier helps us to detect once the this particular Godot thing moves out of the screen. That's why I'm using this. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go to area 2D and visible on screen notifier 2D, yeah, this. Then here you can see it is above the collision shape, so you might not be able to see it. I'll just move it something like this so that once this particular area goes out of the screen, this visible on screen notifier 2D will trigger an event, right? Because we are continuously making this area 2D fall on the y-axis. Now I'll go to node, make sure visible on screen notifier 2D is selected. I'll select screen exited. I'll connect this. So once this is exited, I'll just do queue free, and before queue free will destroy this scene completely so that it is no longer in memory. And the second thing which I will do is I will emit a signal as well. So in our case it is Godot off screen dot emit. So this is how you emit it, a scene. Now how do we listen to this on the main scene, right, on the game scene? So you will have to go to game, you will have to click on this area 2D, which is the Godot scene which you have, and here you can see this is it is also showing in node, it is also showing the custom signal which we have added. So I'll just double click on this, I'll click on connect, and here you can see, so whenever the Godot thing moves off the screen, it emits this particular custom signal which we have created. So if you go to okay, I think I messed it up. This should not be in on Godot off screen. Sorry about this. So this script is attached to Godot.gd, right? So for our game also I need to attach one screen. Sorry, I have just removed this signal, so I'll just remove it from over here as well. I'll click on disconnect. Okay, so I'll just go to game. So this is the Godot.gd, which looks something like this. Again, sorry about this. So it looks something like this. Then I'll go to the game scene, I'll click create a script, game.gd. Then I'll go to area 2D, I'll click on Godot off screen, and now here you can see it is telling me game, select the game part, click on connect, and here you can see it has created the method inside our game script, main script. So now I can just print something, but you can do something more. Godot is destroyed. Okay, I'll do command S. So hopefully this works. Let's try to run it. And here you can see it is falling, and as soon as it moves off the screen, here you can see Godot is destroyed is called. So yeah, that's how you can create custom signals from one scene to another scene. Thank you for watching. Bye.